The curse with the Red Bull second seed is always a topic of discussion, but it seemed like they had settled down the heat with the signing of Sergio Perez. But after a shaky start of the season for Sergio, the doubt over Red Bull's second seed starts to grow again. All of this in this video, stay tuned. Horner talked about Checo's performance at Barcelona. It's coming together for him. He was compromised in the race behind Daniel Ricciardo obviously, but then he didn't manage to make the headway at a track that's so difficult to pass on. Of course, we desperately need him to be in the gap so that Mercedes don't have the strategic options that they had today. But I am convinced that will come for Checo as he finds more confidence and time in the car. Later he talked about beating Mercedes at Monaco. It's been very close, and at Monaco we need to make sure we beat Mercedes in Monte Carlo, but we know that will be an incredibly tough task. Later he also talked about how Mercedes played similar strategy at Hungary 2019. He said, the facts are very clear. Obviously the two lead guys were so far ahead of the rest of the pack, and that gave Lewis a free stop as he had in Hungary. He's only got to get past his teammate, and that was never going to be an issue. So that's why we need both the cars up there strategically so that option isn't available to Mercedes. Carlos Sainz on finding more performance. He said, I was just going through a big data analysis with my engineers, trying to understand what I could have done better. What is still clear that I still need to get a bit better and a bit more confidence. Turkish Grand Prix is now cancelled. Turkish GP is now cancelled due to the new COVID-19 restrictions, and now it will be replaced by the Styrian Grand Prix. Hamilton finds no interest in doing track walks and simulators. He said, I hardly ever drive on the simulator. I maybe do a 20 laps a year, maybe. I have no interest in the simulator. I used to walk on the track when I was younger. But what I have discovered is that for me, it was a pointless exercise. It's a lot different when you approach it at high speed. So what I found was that it was just wasting my energy. My weekend's all about keeping my energy and maintaining it so that I can do the job. Hey guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.